I'm getting Nessie, and she was all blue. And she was the first. Don't you fucking do it! What the hell, man? What the? What are you doing? Are you fucking joking? Are you fucking joking?
I have you on camera. You fucking cut me off. I have you on camera.
Pussy ass motherfucker, fuck you.
Did you see how you're driving? Yeah.
Fuck you.
I don't care about fingers.
Take your fucking camera, motherfucker, and show me your fucking ass.
Oh, really?
What the hell?
You fucking stupid.
Why?
Why are you in the middle of the fucking road?
Why? Because I'm turning right at the roundabout.
You're down here. Get off the roundabout.
Why? I'm turning off at my exit.
Fucking twat.
Did I indicate correctly? Yes. Was it?
Fucking idiot.
Why am I in it? You was
You're in the middle of the fucking road.
I'm allowed to be. It's a signal.
No, sorry, son. I'm overtaking you and you moved to the right. What's fucking wrong with you?
I can't see. Did you not see me?
What did you do fucking minutes?
I was doing my fucking
I'm
right.
signalling, I'm coming off it. I'm looking at you, I'll give you insurance details.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to say, you know what?
Give me insurance details. That's fine, give me insurance details, mate.
Alright. Have you got a pen?
No, I haven't.
Neither have I. So would you like